This 1/64th scale die-cast Porsche 911 Dachau by Mini GT exhibits very refined craftsmanship. However, its primary shortcoming lies in the excessively low ride height, appearing indistinguishable from a standard 911. So I modified it by model putty to fill certain internal structures with the aim of elevating the vehicle's ride height. This is an unmodified 911 Dachau. Detach the metal chassis using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then apply a small quantity of putty to the wheel axle apertures using a toothpick, and then allow to desiccate. The drying time will vary depending on the specific putty brand you use. Surface coagulation typically occurs within 30 minutes, though allowing a period of at least 12 hours is advisable for thorough desiccation. Finally, reassemble all components. This method avoids any destructive damage to the model and offers reversibility. The only potential drawback is a slight protrusion of the chassis relative to the body, which I personally deem minimally consequential for static display. Do you feel an enhanced aesthetic appeal following the modification? Leave your comments about this little 911. Thank you for watching, and until our next encounter.